Guys, ito try ko lang kung yung ganitong setup, mini amplifier, tapos 20 nominal yung watts nitong Broadway speaker, 40 watts yung ano niya, maximum power. Yan o, laki ng magnet, diba? Broadway. Itong ano na to, mini amplifier, walang nakalagay na watts kung ilan. Galing to dun sa Coco Bluetooth speaker. Kinalas ko muna. Try ko kasi kung pwede sa ganitong speaker. Sa tingin ko pwede naman. Kasi ano yan eh, malakas din yan kahit maliit.
Hello everyone, this is Baboy Vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe.
220 yung supply niya, kaya maingat ako kung mag-ground ako.
FM tuner. Line in. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Connect natin.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Ayaw ko ng mga ganyang ano, maingay, nagsasalita. Pero ang maganda dito guys, pwedeng pahinaan yung volume. Kaya hindi mo na madidinig yun, yung nagsasalita.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Okay naman guys. Pwede naman i-match itong Broadway speaker dito sa mini amplifier. Kayang-kaya niya. Sinagad ko nga eh, hindi naman basag yung tunog. Mas maganda yung sounds niya. Mas lalo na pag nasa box na yan, maganda yung tunog niyan. Tsaka pag mayroon ng tweeter. Kasi yung ganitong mini amplifier guys, tweeter lang tsaka woofer, pwede na.